Okay, we are live, day 10, last day of the challenge. A very weird start of the day. For some stupid reason, my internet up here wasn't working. And I tried whatever I could, but it won't work. So now I am on a slower connection. I hope it won't be that bad. I hope it's not. Let me see. Seems to be fine. The voice is not lagging or anything. Oh man. Very weird start. I'm not even going to try the 1080p thing because it's already slower, quite slower than normally. I have 25-30 MB per second. Now it's 13. Oh, man. By the way, thank God this did not happen in the previous 9 days. So otherwise, like if it happened all the days, then I don't know what would happen. What would have happened? Oh my God. So I was done with the app, the CoinSnap app, and then I created a copy of it and turned it into a stone identifier thing, which is also kind of. Wait a minute. A rock has more. Okay. Rock identifier, yeah. Rock and stone, gemstone kind of identifier. Very decent popularity. And if you look at the top apps, 55,000 rating. That is crazy. This is also. Oh, if you look at it, the rock identifier is the top rank, even for crystal, even for stone. How are they doing this? Oh, do they have the name in? No, so they are using AI so very nicely. They have all the important keywords in their name, so that's why they are ranking for all four of these. And we need to rank them out, inshallah. Let's see. Okay, as for the that app, I created these screenshots, really basic. I couldn't make anything better than this. I tried AI generating them, but there were some issues in all the options I had. One issue with ChatGPT one is their dimension is not 19 by 16. Like they don't have this exact dimension. They generate a smaller image, less rectangular image, which we cannot use over here. So just have to choose the build and I'm done with it actually. I just wanted to like add in the policy and terms URL. Right now it's like I need to update the website for it, which we can do today as well. That's also part of today's task. So the thing is, when you publish your app to App Store or Play Store, you need a thing called, let me, you need terms and conditions page and a privacy policy page, which should be on a website. So what I did was previously I had one app, so I just had like outfit AI app.versal.app slash terms, etc. etc. Now what I'm thinking is I can just create a general website and have like all my apps, terms and condition and privacy policy here, like bird lens. And here we go. So I can add all of my apps in just one website. So I just had to update my URLs, these privacy policy stuff. Uh, ooh. Settings, please. Oh man, I hope the stream is fine because I'm disappointed at this internet thing that's happening. Because it's working perfectly fine downstairs. But upstairs it's just not working properly. And I tried everything I could. Literally everything. There's nothing else that I can think of that I should try. Or did I remove? Do we really have two section titles? No, we don't. I don't know why it's showing twice. To the people who are watching right now, how are you doing? Let's talk. Send something in the chat. Yesterday's stream was amazing. It was just crazy. 20 people are watching at the same time. Are you serious? 20 people? And I do have one good news that we have 1 year of free Cursor Pro subscription. How did I get it? I got it because I am a student still. Almost about to graduate. So. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, so you have to sign in with your a what's it called? .edu email and then you can get access to it. Perfect. And if you have a brother or sister who's also in university, you can get another free one. I don't know if it's just for universities or for school colleges as well, because they did ask for the name of the university. I don't think they have information about all the schools and high school and stuff. I don't think so. But they do have it about the universities because they aren't as many. So yeah, I'm gonna update this. Not this. This. And this is the stone. I haven't even. Yeah, I will have to update this later. Let me just do this for the coin snap, and then we can finally publish it. And then we'll work on the stone one. And we'll try to add maybe something special today, something like different. Oh, oh, I'm sleepy like always. Oops. Just need to paste it here and yeah, coinsnap.ai. This is our website. Your terms and condition and everything will be on this page. And just to be sure, where is this page being shown? For handle share. Dude, bro, this is not the app URL. Are you serious? It is good that I looked at it. That is the website URL. It is very apparent. And why can't you see this file? Yes, that is the iOS app URL. For iOS and for Android, we'll be using the Android one. We will see, check the platform here, like this. So for Android, it will be Androids, and for iOS, it is, I just open the, yes, Android app URL. What is going on? I don't know why this is happening. Okay. Okay. Anything else? This is being used over here. And yes. Yeah, it's being used for terms and this policy, which is fine. It is exactly what we want. Just gonna query. We did the last build for it, and we will be done with it forever. 4 people. Wow. Who are the familiar people? Let me know in the chat. And let me just put the Discord and Discord again. Whoa, 8 people. Discord community. It's a channel, not a, or normally a channel, not a community. If you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the chat. Or if you want to talk about anything or share anything. Isn't it possible to move the camera a little bit to the right, left? I don't know why they don't have this option. What is the banner for? Let me see. Okay. How do these work? Okay. The build is almost done. It's weird that they don't have an option to move the camera around. Very weird. Okay. Okay. The build is almost done. Till then, we can take a look at the coin identifier. Not the coin, the other one. It is stone identifier. And also, let's discuss with GPT what should it have. Now coming to the features part. Should it be able? Still doing? Oh no. So, okay. But we cannot run it just now. We need to create a new build and all that. What if I do like, wait, where do I? Oh, okay, works. So it caches the entire thing, even though I have changed it to some other name, not CoinSnap anymore, but stuff is still cached, so you can actually run it initially. Okay, how's the other doing? The actual one. It's taking too long. Okay, now you're changing it to identify stone or rock. Like, what should be the main focus here? Stone app returns the most likely stone crystal name with confidence percentage. Highlight key visual traits used in detection. Wait, this is too small. Now it's fine. So like, someone gave me an idea yesterday that I should have like some kind of thing here that tells the what has been done in the entire stream. So I think this is a good way. Point snap with dated URLs. Just gonna keep it short and researching features. A rock stone app. For now, this is what we have done and are in the process of doing the second one. Scientific name Mohos Ardas. Can you really check that through the picture alone? Luster, color range, common location, associated. No, I wouldn't add that. Fun facts swap or historical uses. Simple chat style UI where user can ask, can I put this stone in the water? Is this safe for kids? What is it used for? No more spiritual stuff. Stones have nothing to do with spirituality in reality. At least that's what I think. Okay, for metaphysical spirit, no, no. Yeah, I mean, how can I show them? Where I'm gonna bring the pictures from them? Safe, yeah. Radio connection. Okay. Interesting. So yeah, stone. Oh, yeah, that is one different thing about this particular app. Stones, rocks, and all can be user links them to some kind of location, like they found at some particular place or something. So we need to add that in this app, which was not used in any of the previous apps, like any of the previous identification apps. And we have made quite a few by now. I hope that's done now. Yes, it is. Oh, need to use transporter to just. So you use this transporter software to put your build on in the App Store Connect. Whenever you have to update, you just put it here. It will upload it to the App Store Connect, and it then you can choose the newer build. That's how it works. Just cross out of the extra stuff. Yes, this is well. Okay, it's downloaded. I'm gonna drop it here. Hey, why is no one chatting anything? Come in the chat. Let's talk. Ask any questions if you got. Okay, so forget that the virtual part. And rest is good, but out of all the things identified, can't click. Okay. Common name, color pattern, luster type, transparency, texture grain, shape form, from database cross reference one ID is used. Scientific name, hardness, material type, country of origin. Man, I really want to add these additional stuff as well for all of the apps. I'm thinking let's just do it today because we haven't done it for any of the previous apps, which I will have to do anyways. What? Oh, okay. It's delivery. Yeah. Very good. Very good. Very good. Um, good. So it does take some time. It won't show it just now. Or will it? Oh, yeah, it's locked out. Need to log in. And for some stupid reason, for a few days, it's like not logging in without a VPN, which is very weird. They're not okay with me logging in from the right location, but they're okay if I log in from the location I'm not in. I don't know, man. None of that makes any sense. Choose the build. It's not here yet. It will be in newer build. Oh yes, someone's chatting finally. Hi, technical. Where are you from? What do you do? Uh, okay, then we'll focus on this stuff only. The thing is, you could like, okay, India. I'm from Pakistan. How can we easily get the DB stuff? Okay. Needs cleaning? No, I want something that's just plug and play art. So you can please tell the overview, bro. Yeah, I can. So like we have been creating like 10 apps in 10 days. This is like the last day, 10th app, which we haven't started yet. So the entire journey has been very unorganized, to be very honest. So like sometimes like I'm creating the yesterday's app today in this stream, and then when I'm done with the stream, then I start my other app of that day. So same is the case for today. So one thing we're doing here is, so I created this app yesterday. No, it's day before yesterday's app, and I'm just going to publish it now. And yesterday's app was the stone identifier. It's almost done. I am a freelancer who does started as like web development stuff with AI integrations, chatbots, LLMs, those things, the AI automation stuff. Then recently, for a few months, I've been really into app development as well, making my own apps. So the plan is to create a lot of my own apps, so to earn maybe some good revenue. So the focus right now is to find small app ideas. I'm not gonna build something huge, at least for like not for now, and then put them on the store and see what I get out of it. It will include like making the app, researching about the keywords and stuff from Astro, like keyword research tool. You can find out the popularity and difficulty of all sorts of ideas. And then comes like the last part of marketing these apps. I will be covering those things as well later on once I have a decent number of apps on the store. That is the overview, complete overview. And I plan to like keep on streaming for all the things, including this and marketing as well, and then maybe even creating tutorials, some short videos and some maybe medium-sized long videos where I actually teach the entire process. Yeah, let's see how it goes. It's just an experiment for now. I'm on the 10th day. No, it's not any. That is the problem. What is the app about? Tell me. Maybe I can help a little. Thanks, man. Hmm. Hmm. This is nice, man. This is so good. Okay. If you go here. By the way, I do have one app on the App Store right now. This like the coin one will be the second one. I can show you my why isn't it opening? My first app. This is my first app. You can check it out and maybe give it a good review or something. First app. Why is this URL not working? Gem.org. Okay, this works. How can I scrape this website? Thank you. For now, it's only on iOS. I do have the Android version almost done. Just need to finalize and put it up there. This is good. I hope there is a dataset. Diamonds dataset. Wait. No. This is just gemstones. What if I just search store? App. Let me know what the idea is and what the app is. Maybe I can look it up. I don't. I'm not doing any job right now. I'm just doing freelance work and building my own stuff along the way. Freelancing is a bit slow nowadays. I'm mostly just making my own apps. Yes. Okay. You're asking for career advice. Both are like I won't say both are. Both are good. You can't choose either of them. You need to just try out any of them and and see what you want to do. But the one thing you can use to maybe find out the answer is like Spring Boot and Java is used for enterprise level applications. So you won't really be building your own SaaS using it. I don't think so. I'm not 100% sure, by the way. I did Mern. So Mern and Next.js. The thing with Mern is it's more modern. You'll be creating new application with it. Mostly when you do like Spring Boot and Java, you are mostly working with already created applications, enterprise applications mostly, and you are just maintaining them. Not you. Now you have to choose which path you want to choose. And the thing is, Mern has more jobs but more competition, way more competition. Java Spring Boot has less jobs but way less competition. So you just have to choose it. And I'm from Pakistan, your neighbor. How much stuff do we even have here? If we go here, suggestion placements are near. I just told you, uh, you can choose either of them. It just depends on you what you would prefer. How's the job market in India nowadays? Because it's very difficult in Pakistan and, as per my knowledge, even in USA and all those countries. Almost all countries, it's getting very difficult. That's why that's another reason I'm really focused on just making my own app successful, so I don't really have to waste time with finding jobs and all that. I don't earn that much. That's all I can tell for now. I create a product. How can I push it? What's the product? What even it is? It's an app or what? Where do you want to push it? Let's just do manual. But how would you take a scraping for gemdat.org? Okay, now it should be done. Okay, we are done with this. Everything is finally done. I am finally going to push it, save, and add for review. Inshallah, it will be accepted. Oh no, I have to add an iPad images. Should I add right now? It will take more time. Let me see. Because if you have done everything else, maybe we can do this as well. Well, let me know your product so I can help out if possible. AI interviewer, if you upload the resume, means that AI will act. Perfect. It's good. Nice. I also have been wanting to create like career AI SaaS, having all sorts of features, resume generator, analyzer, interview preparation, and all that. Good idea, yeah. It has a lot of potential. So yes, let me just put this. Oh, so this is how I did it. I will need screenshots from the iPad. No, I'm not. I'm skipping it right now. It will take too much time because I will have to open the app in iPad and all that. It will take a lot of time. Okay, just gonna do it for iPhone for now. You must select frequency for each. Yes, I can do it. Let me just do this stuff. Oh yeah, support URL. I forgot. It is this. Yeah, Figma is nice for making your screenshots and stuff. If you want to do it for free, otherwise, if you can pay, it's good. There are really good softwares that help you out in it. Where do I put this information? Oh yeah, oh yeah. I haven't even filled in all the information yet. Let me just do that first. App info. I'll come to your AI interviewer just a second. Yes, I even forgot to choose this. So it is for, what is it about? It is photo and video is secondary. Weather, utilities, travel, stickers, no sports, shopping reference. Let's see what GPT says here. Oh, tell for all. Coin, snap, stone, pink, note ID, etc. Okay, so do you have a URL for your AI interviewer? Maybe you can open it up here and everyone can see if it's already like properly done. Yeah, I'm using Cursor, and just to let you guys know, a very good news. Just yesterday or maybe the day before that, Cursor launched a 1 year free subscription for students. So you guys can get a free year of subscription for Cursor, which is amazing. And I don't know how they are going to afford this because hundreds of thousands of students will do this and it will cost them a lot of money. Just go here and get yourself a free subscription. I just got it yesterday. Okay, where was I? Yeah. Reference, utilities. Okay. Reference. Where is it? Utility. Oh, '21. detect, learn, and collect. Collect, detect, learn. Alright. Nothing is wrong with the app. All's normal. Not even contests. No, no gambling around. It doesn't contain purchasable loot boxes. What even are loot boxes? No. No. Okay. This is optional. I don't need notification for this app. Currently not uploaded that, so okay. Save. And I think I'm done. Wait a minute. Is it necessary for iPad? What if I don't want iPad? No. This is bad. The thing is, it will take a lot of memory as well. And I just have a 8 GB RAM laptop, which is not good enough for this. Anyways, what can I even do to start? Device. Oh, yes. I hope it won't slow down the computer too much. I told you, I am 21 years old. And where you learn new skills? YouTube. Where you are currently watching me, that's the same place I learned web development, I learned app development, I learned a lot more things as well. That is a university. You can learn anything for free. Um, I want my other simulator iPad one. Why can't I just choose it? No. Yes, Shift I. Now it will ask me which simulator I want to open. I want to open the one that I have already set up, which I think is this one. I hope. Okay, nice. By the way, we have a Discord community. You can join that. Ask questions there as well. After the stream, I can pin the message over here. And I do have one app on the App Store. You can check that out. More apps coming very, very soon. Very soon. a lot of apps coming because I created 10 apps in these 10 days and I haven't put any of them in on the store yet. And just need to make it look better and all that before I actually push it to the store. Oh no, I have to install first. Okay, will take some time. Until then, to pin. Wait. My PC is laptop's becoming slower now. That is not okay. Yeah, here's a discard link. Linux X4 run iOS dash dash device. Okay, good. Man, this is gonna be bad because it will take a lot of time. And I don't have so much time. I thought that you could publish app only on the iPhone and can avoid iPad if you want, but you can't. So you need to add in screenshots for iPad as well. Oh my god, PC is becoming slow. I need to close out the other stuff because this is not okay. What else can I close? I need to upgrade my laptop once my apps start earning some good money very soon, inshallah. I'm going to close this for now. Browser tabs just take too much memory, and I cannot keep this. Need to check this out later. Till then, I can just review this. First app took me a lot of time. It was my first time creating an app. Secondly, I did a lot of the stuff from scratch. It took a lot of time. It took like 300 hours at least of actual vibe coding, which is just crazy. And like obviously it includes debugging as well. Debugging took a lot of time. So the plan was with this stream was so I created my first app. I turned it into template, sort of a template, where I have a lot of things already done. Localization, in which localization means you can add any languages to your app whatsoever, 50 languages, 100 languages. You have payments already done. You can easily integrate payments without spending too much time. You have authentication, sign in, sign up, sign in with Google, with Apple, already done. Forget password, OTP authentic verification. You have so many things already done. Theming and all, notifications. So many things. It takes a lot of time. So my plan is to sell that template, and this live stream was actually started because of it. So I could record and share the entire journey, and that might help bringing in some customers for that template, which I haven't launched yet. I want to make it even better, clean, really easy to use. I will create short videos as well for it on how to set it up and all that. I will launch it publicly and hopefully make some good money from it. Inshallah. Because there are a lot of people who would have a couple $100 to spend on a template, and they would rather spend a couple $100 on a template than to spend 200-300 hours just to get a basic app done, template done with all the basic features that all apps need to have. So yeah, that is everything. Today we just have Indians watching. Okay. Or maybe other people are not talking and just the Indians talking. Are the apps screenshotting consistent with the latest app design? Is there So this is some tool I found a couple days ago for screenshots. I don't even know what it does. I want it somehow makes the screenshot part easier. I want to understand what it does so I can do it for my apps. Yes, dude, practice makes a man perfect. Like my speed has increased so much with app development, with app stuff, and I know so many things that XYZ for XYZ task you need to use that model, you need to do it this way, and sometimes I even know that this thing cursor cannot do it. GPT and whatever models they cannot do it. I have to manually go and do this thing. So when you practice this so many times, you learn so much stuff and you become much faster as well. Okay, is the iPad app? Oh, I haven't even selected it. iPad Pro 13-inch M4. If you guys do have an iPhone, give my app a 5-star rating. That would help me out. And let me show you something cool. I really like seeing charts and stuff and stats of apps. So let me show you of my app. They aren't great because I haven't made any money from it. But still you can like get some idea and stuff. Lifetime. Okay, these are the statistics. 218 downloads, 3.56 conversion rate, 327. Page views, 7.95 thousand impressions. And yes, not great because, you know, not really earning anything from it yet. No problem. No problem. Okay. So where were we? What was I doing? Oh yeah, I was on this page. I want to see. Are the screenshot inconsistent? Is your app localized in many languages that were different countries? Have you made such sure that no loading indicator is showing? Try to deploy in Play Store. I will. It is almost done. I just need to finalize and test the payment part, and then it will be up and running. I will do it hopefully tomorrow or today. I will try to do it today or tomorrow. And by the way, the challenge will end today, but I will keep on live streaming for as long as I can. For like next few days, I will be just completing and putting all the apps to the App Store. I don't know how long it will take, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. We will see. We'll put all the 9 apps to the App Store and maybe to the Play Store, maybe. And after that, I will like start the marketing part, because once the apps are on the App Store, then I might start like a 5-day challenge of marketing my 11 apps on the App Store. So that will be interesting. And marketing does not mean ads. We will be doing free. Everything will be free in the marketing part. I don't want to pay right now. I want to try out. I want to try out all the free ways, and then if app starts earning money, then I might invest some money into ads. Is the same content for full story. Okay. I hope you're free completely. Manually taking yeah, it takes too much time. Sunday is not available. What do you call it? So I am a seventh. I don't take education and university college that serious, by the way. I'm just getting that piece of paper without even going to the university and just study from home. So it works fine. Because I feel like university is a waste of time, at least for me. I wasn't learning anything when even I did go there. And when I started staying home and learning online, things became so much better. I was learning way faster, way faster. The only thing is you need to discipline yourself if you are at home and if you don't have someone to force you to study and do your work. So yeah, you need to discipline. This is such an old post. I don't even know if it's relevant today or not. Nice. Are you serious? I'm not getting anything useful here, and it seems to be really old. I don't think it's gonna help out. Let me ask ChatGPT about it. Is there a really easy way to get screenshots for my App Store app done without having to take them manually? Where is our build? Oh wait, I need to close this. This will save us some memory. This is the worst part about app development, that it takes too much time in building and takes too much RAM and storage. So people who are in the beginning stage, they have a hard time. And you need like two phones, an Android phone and an iPhone. And if you want to make iOS apps, you need a MacBook, which is expensive. Oh my god, look, my RAM is used so much that it's not working properly. Oh, let me close Astro. It's also taking a lot of RAM right now. Okay, close, close, please. Oops, now it's closed. Anything else? This is not taking much RAM, I guess. The problem with these free ones is that uh, they don't really give you much options in the free one. Or if they do, they will put like their name everywhere on the screenshot. It looks pathetic. Is there some tool that converts iPhone screenshot, iPad size screenshots? I hope. Say yes. Nice. Are there free options for all this work? Come on, show. Oof. I don't want watermark. How much do you cost? Let me see. If it's not much, I can pay. But normally these are very expensive tools. $20, $30 a month. And they don't have trial either. I meant free options, not free options. Show me then. Quick, quick. I don't want any. Um, I don't want watermarks. Dear. Oh yeah, if I had like Figma design, it would have been really easy. In Figma, you can easily do it, but okay, so we don't have any option yet. We have to use. We have to install it on the iPad, and then we can take screenshots. But one thing I'm scared of is if the interface looks bad on the iPad, I will have to also fix the fix the interface. What should I do till then, man? I don't want people to just wait here for my build to create. So if you have any other questions, let me know. Maybe I can help out. Or maybe I could take a break. Watermelon. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I want to see this. So we do have an open source tool. Not found. Look, ChatGPT is taking 1 GB RAM. Why? Why are you doing this to me? Should refresh it. Sometimes it's just for no reason taking too much RAM, and if you refresh it, then it becomes normal. Okay, refresh. Can I close it? Open it again. Okay. You don't have to watch, you can cross out of the video. Okay, so it creates localized screenshots. That is nice. This is really nice. So you can get localized screenshots for free using this tool. Very nice. How old is it? It is 7 years old. Last updated 2 years ago. I don't think it's maintained. This is nice. If it's free completely. But it's not doing what we are looking for. So we just have to wait for build. I'm going to take a break. See you guys. Okay, long break. Let me put it on the Discord. I am. Okay, it should work now, please. Why is the onboarding showing? What? Why is the onboarding showing? This is very weird. So, just to repeat what's going on, I was uploading this coin snap, everything was done. Then I found out that you cannot proceed without iPad screenshots. Like I thought I could just publish it for iPhone for now, and we'll do the iPad later. But iPad is must. So we'll have to fix a few things so that it works for iPad properly. Just some interface stuff. And one thing weird is that I did not expect the onboarding to show. It was not supposed to show. Let me refresh. Okay, now this is the problem. On iPad, this looks bad. Things are too stretched out. I need to fix that without destroying the iPhone interface. Gonna make it small. So on the iPad, the screen is too wide. No, I mean everything is too stretched out without changing the interface for iPhone. Make it look better for iPad screens. For all the screens in the app, all of them. For iPad, it's for settings. I've already done a little bit here, so we do have some spacing there. It's not too stretched out. I There should not be this illustration thing. This is not something I wanted. History. Where is illustration? Here, where it is commented out. Where is this coming from? Illustration. Oh wow, nothing. Then what was this? This is something else. Okay. Walaikum assalam. I'm not a sir. I'm just a 20-year, 21-year-old. So this is React Native with Expo, with which you can make iOS, Android applications, and web as well, but it's not as good for websites. So mainly for iOS, Android. React Native with Expo. Expo is what makes it easier to make and faster to make apps in React Native. Do I look that old? Do I look like a sir? Okay, add some spacing here. Okay, I'm just now going to ask it to do the work. Go. Nice. That is very nice. You are learning stuff very quickly. I learned these things very late. It's good. Try to make some projects and launch them. Even if they fail, it's not a problem. You're just in 10th grade. So you have a lot of time to test different things, try out different things. So yes, start making your own products. This is the mistake I made. Why are you changing the color and everything? Why is it the color change? Anyways, let's see. So try making some of your own products. Stop making really basic stuff if you are making like, you know, when we start learning, we make stuff like calculator and really stupid basic stuff. Avoid that. Use stuff like cursor. Make something good that maybe you want to use or someone you know wants to use, and then make it for when you create something, create a project keeping the user in mind. Then you will be able to create something that's actually good. And because when I was creating projects initially, when I was still learning and all, I wasn't really thinking about how would the user use it. I was just creating it for the sake of portfolio, as a lot of students are doing that. So try to create something useful, even if it's small and basic. But okay, that is good. Have you published any of your games? What did you use to create the game? Is it in Python or is it in JavaScript? Not bad. Good. Okay. You are done. But why in the world you made my button so so ugly? It messed up everything. It's not doing good. The button text is not showing. Use this. Literally. So this was 3.7. Absolute garbage for this particular task, not overall. Let's see what Gemini 2.5 does. Oh, you are done? Wow. Okay, Gemini did it way better. Nice. Let me see if it did it for other screens. No, this looks too big. So changed only for the home screen. Good. Do similar other screens as well. How does paywall look? Why is the paywall not shown? Let me refresh it once. Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Arhan, how are you doing? What's up with the did it even refresh? No. I guess it's fine by the way. There's nothing wrong with it. Want to add a coin in here? I had some images for testing the output AI app. Yes, I know. No problem. I was also very late. My internet was problematic today. Look, we found one issue. So I'm seeing the same screen over here. We need to fix this issue. Thank you. Thank you very much. Good. Nice. We are done. I would want this to be a bit not too stretched out. We are the only two that are left. Okay, fixed. Okay, we are done. Nothing else. Even though this looks kind of weird, but mm, tell me more. Oh, Pakistan. Okay. I am also Pakistan. Yes. Now it's going to center it. Justify. Okay, it is centered now. A bit too small. Now it's fine. Now I'll copy these to Figma. Just need to round up the corners. You can do it with JavaScript as well. All the agentic stuff. One done, two more to go. Okay. Okay, we are finally done. I'm going to export these. Oh, I forgot to change the text. Uh, Yeah. So these are the new ones. I hope. Cross. First, second, third. Okay. This is done, but I wanted to add more languages. Which are the English localization? Let me know. So the thing is, I'm going to share a very cool tip. Even if you are targeting only English-speaking people, and you can still like add in your app for other particular languages, other localizations, which will help you boost the ranking of your app. And it's like a free way of getting a decent boost. Just wanna check what was that saved URL where you can see the languages of each of the sub languages that each country supports. Where are my bookmarks? Uh, yes, App Store localizations.com. So I will select USA. United States. So these are no. These are all the languages that you can, the secondary languages of USA. You can add those as well. If you can keep the context same, if you don't want to use the other language keywords. So we are going to do the same, starting with Arabic. So I'm going to use the same screenshots. Okay. So why do you want me to upload separate screenshots? What if I just want it to be the same? And that is what I want right now. Where are my screenshots? Downloads. These are the ones. You guys aren't focused on the live stream. You guys are focused on your own chats. Dude. Oh, okay. So it is using same. Oh, I understand. Okay. Understood. Perfect. I don't have to upload separate ones. So I'm just going to add in other languages. Literally, I just have to click and it's being added without doing anything else. Chinese simplified. Chinese traditional. French, Korean, Portuguese. French, Korean, K, where, Korean, okay. What do you mean add to? What does that mean? Add to? Oh, here. I'm not targeting Pakistanis. They're not gonna pay for any of my apps. 100%. Portuguese. And no, I'm not going to teach in Urdu. And he's asking for the languages over here on the App Store. I'm targeting global people, everyone. So not going to speak in Urdu in these videos. Russian. Let me see. Russia. Okay. We're almost done. Spanish, Mexico, and Vietnamese. Spanish, Mexico. Spanish, Mexico, and Vietnam. Where is Vietnam? Okay. We have added all the sublanguages of English. And wonderful. This is wonderful. Save. So I made this app, Coin Snap AI. It's like coin identification and stuff. And yes, people do use it. If you search online, there is decent amount of popularity and searches for it on App Store. So I'm done with it. I'm just submitting it for review to the App Store. It's completely done. But by the way, this is not today's app. I still have to make today's app, which is going to be very similar. I'm just going to make it for a different sort of identification. So I want to like create a lot of like identification apps that are and that have decent amount of popularity on the App Store. And you can check the popularity using some paid tools like Astro. What else do you want from me? Or you want privacy policy stuff? Okay. No, we are not collecting any data. Nothing. And for privacy policy, I can't speak in Urdu because I can't speak in Urdu, but I want everyone to be able to understand this, not just the people of my country. So links, Excel. By the way, YTFF. I don't know what that means. Where are you from? If you want to share. Privacy dash policy. Just gonna check once. Opening. If you don't know proper English, this is a good opportunity for you to learn it. You can learn by just listening it again and again and again. And you need to learn English anyways. Like if you, let's say you want to do freelancing, because jobs won't pay you much in Pakistan. You need to freelance to earn good money. So you should focus on your English. I think I'm done. Okay, you're from India. A lot of people today came from India in today's stream. I am from Pakistan. What error, bro? What error? I think it's done now. Okay, you still need pricing tier and you want me to content info. So there are a lot of things that you have to select for your apps or your setup. It contains users not you're not showing anything third party content. What is left? I think all is done here. We have chosen this and stays the same for all the languages. So save. Are we done? Okay, pricing. free. The app itself is free. We have added cost within like the, so it's in-app purchases, subscription based. You don't really have to pay while downloading the app. Yes, all countries. All done. Last thing, copyright. Where is it? You must have copyright information for your app you're adding. Where is it? Copyright information. Copyright. Copy. Right. How you contact other company like Apple to work for them? What? What do you mean? I'm not working for Apple. I made an app that I'm pushing, that I'm uh, publishing to the App Store. You don't have to work for Apple for that. Where is the copyright information? Oh, okay. The name of the person who did that was, I own it. So this is what was left. So, okay, Bismillah. We have submitted the first one. Well, I really want to take a break today. Not feeling like live stream today. I'm thinking I might create today's app, not live. Yeah, I really want to just take a break today. 10 days of streaming is very difficult. It is difficult. Even if it went really well, most of the days were really fun, but you kind of get tired as well. Uh, should I continue the next app today, like right now in the stream or after the stream? So this is published. We have done this. Okay, let's continue the stream, but I will take a short break. I'll be back. Hi. No, no, no. They have to review the app first. They will review it, and if they find something, some problems or something, they will ask me to fix it. Then they will. When they're satisfied, then it becomes available to public. Otherwise, not. Okay. I can close the iPad now. This is the stone identifier. Yeah, and where's Ben? I miss that guy. Ah, okay. It's, this should be the stone one. Now I'll just update the data for it to work for stone. I've been able to change user facing text coin to stone and other related terms. Coming back to the research part, I can close this now. This as well. So this. Okay. I can take a picture of this. Put it on the home screen. Wow. It literally wrote the entire script thing. Let's see if it can run the entire thing on its own. That would be amazing. Oh, I think it's doing something. Here we go. Wow. Now we're talking. It's going to extract all the data on its own. Oh, it's about to rain over here. What? Okay. Give me JS version of one file having everything. Step packages.json, obviously. Cheerio? What's Cheerio? Related to scraping, I guess. Okay, we're going to run this. We're going to do something very different, not related to app development specifically. Gen data script. Copy. Going to run this after installing the packages. So for that, npm init -y. Yes, you can do it. You can do it. Oh, status photo for it. What just happened? You mean in this live stream? Oh, I thought you were going to make your own live stream or something. Yeah, but first, I need to complete the challenge today. Today is the last day. So, because this is yesterday's app, which I just did the really most basic part of. So I have to still do the today's app, and then from tomorrow I'll have to start uploading all the apps that I made in these 10 days to the App Store and making the changes that we discussed yesterday for Outfit AI. So it will take me 3-4 days. I'll be live streaming that as well. So live streams are going to stay for I don't know how long. After that, marketing part will start. Of all these 11 apps that I will have on the store, it will start. Okay, some other, yeah. But first, this challenge thing, and then yes, obviously. CA man, come on, you need to fix it. Yeah, some tips on how I can improve the app for getting more users, but not particularly marketing. Next guy, Ben, you are talking about, right? Oh, okay, different matter. Okay, what do you want me to ask? Deep research. I hope it works now. Man, I really want to take a break. I'm thinking of ending the stream. On average, I've spent like around 50 hours of live streaming, 45 to 50 hours in 10 days, which is crazy. Especially considering I wasn't doing any content creation before that. I have tried O3 for this. Might have done everything for me. I will if this does not work. I will try O3. Okay, I am going to end the stream. See you guys tomorrow. I kind of need a break today. I hope everything will be fine tomorrow. See you. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.